everybody, these are some pictures of the grass after I dethatched like one or two passes, basically what you saw in that video, but I did it a lot more, like a lot more. Alright, so here is what your grass will look like after you've smoked it about twice, 2 to 3 times with Roundup or glyphosate. And I took a thatch rake, pull behind thatch rake, and went over this many times, but as you can see, we got dead grass, so I could still go. I'm still actually going to go over some more. Actually about to spray some more glyphosate just to make sure that I got it all, but you can see a lot of exposed dirt right here. I mean, I can dig my hand into it, but the thatch rake will tear up all the grass, all the dead grass. Look at this. This was complete grass before. All this right here was complete grass, and now it's just dead grass and dirt. Lots of dirt. See all that? So I'm gonna spray one more round of glyphosate, and then tomorrow I'm going to mow one more time, see if I can pick up whatever else I can pick up, and then I'm going to take the thatch rake to it again and get up every bit of grass that I can, or most of it, and then I will spread my fertilizer and seed, and hopefully have a good lawn here soon. Alright, so I've now ran the dethatcher over the lawn, and I've also ran this pull behind aerator, and you know, I could probably water it a little bit to get these plugs, or maybe add a little weight. I don't know. I've got 2 blocks and a 40-pound bag of lime, but these holes are plenty big enough. They're bigger in some areas. You know, like right here. You know, so pretty big. So what I'm going to do is put the dethatching rig back on the mower and go over all this again, and then I'm going to go ahead and try to get the seed down. Alright, so I have spread the seed and fertilizer, which hopefully you can see here. The purple is the seed and the white color is the fertilizer, and look at that. See that thing? Alright, so now I've got the seed and fertilizer spread out, and I'm going to go over it one more time with the dethatching rake. Try to break this up in the dirt a little bit. Be right back. Got the seed down, got it mixed up really well. I've got my sprinkler set right here, and it covers everything like I need it. So this is day 0 of the Riviera Bermuda seed.